Okay, Ramatsa.
So question forward the diagram of f of x which equals to x squared plus bx plus c and g of x is equals to 2x minus 9 is the turning point of the parabola. Both f and g pass through the point 0 and -9. G of x passes through 4,5 is to 0. So the first question it says write down the equation of axis of symmetry of f. So we know that axis of symmetry is the line that cuts the graph into two equal parts, right? So like the axis of symmetry is going to be x is equals to 4.
It's an equation.
Yeah, it's an equation.
So this is our axis of symmetry. It says x is going to be equal to a 2 to 4. And it's one mark, eh?
Yes.
Sharp. Okay. Let's go to number 2.
Number 2, write down the coordinates of a point which is a reflection of a point 0 is to -9 in the axis of symmetry of f.
Okay, let's do this.
Yes.
I didn't see this one.
Yeah.
I don't know. I agree. It's like this is the image. So
Yes.
yes, x is equal to 4.
Yes.
It's your image.
Yes.
And then they say we should take this point and then we should
reflect.
reflect it. It should appear this side. That's what they're saying.
Yes.
So whatever we see here, so it's reflected by basically you're reflecting it by the y-axis, but instead of x is equaling to 0, you're reflecting it by x is equaling to 4.
Yes.
Okay, what should happen, Papa?
So if we reflect this line here, x is equals to 4,
Yeah.
we know from 0 to p, like this distance is 4 units. So to be like, yeah, it's 4 units. And the other side will only get 4 units. So the x, the y value are 8 and negative 8 and 9. Yeah,
Positive 8.
Positive 8, yeah, positive 8 too.
It's 8 and
9.
-9.
Negative 9.
9 doesn't change.
Yeah.
So we're reflecting it by the y-axis.
Yes.
So x becomes so basically the x we set 4 units.
Yes.
4 units to the right, and then we should have 4 units after the image.
Yes.
So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we get 8. But the 9 doesn't change.
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
The check is a check.
3.2.
Where is it?
Okay. Let's check the next one. What is the next question? It says determine the values of A, B, and C.
Yes.
Let's determine the values of A, B, and C. Yeah. What should we do with this one?
So we are given our equation in a turning point form.
Okay.
Mr. I'm hungry for number 3.
Which one? The turning point form?
No, calculate the coordinates of A. Calculate the coordinates of A, B, and C.
All right. Okay, we can go through it. Yeah.
Yes. Maras, I'm not seeing it.
You're not seeing the question?
It's 4.2. You moved it instead of 4.3.
Okay, yeah, here it is.
So then the question says, the 4.3 says determine the value of A, B, and C. So
Sure.
then we're going to collect the data.
Yeah.
So then here we more the graph. We know how point more the y-axis, which is 0 is to -9 again.
Yeah.
Yes. So then after point on the x-axis, which is 4,5 again.
It's for a straight line, that one. We don't need it for this one.
I care more the x-axis.
It's not on G. It's on the straight line. Can you see the straight line here?
Yes.
And then APC is on f of x. And so we're looking for things that are here on this line, on this curve here. Anything that is on the curve.
So then the turning point. The turning points again.
Yeah, we have the turning point, yeah.
Yeah. So sharp. Here go equation that equation because it's the easier one to get fast.
Okay.
So then the equation f of x is equal to ax squared
ax squared
plus bx
plus bx
plus c.
plus c, yeah?
So then to get this thing, kita berekisha this point here more the y-axis, name is
Yeah?
then I get the point on the y-axis, y, which can be represented as f of x, negative 9.
Yeah?
So then more x, more a again, then can x, which is 0 squared plus b 0 plus c. So then this thing multiply c over negative 9.
Okay, c is negative 9.
Yes. So then we
Okay,
can really see the equation f of x, which is ax squared
Yeah?
plus bx
Yeah?
minus
Okay.
minus. Okay. So then what can I do so far? Can I information I'm given? So then my information can I the turning point. Okay, let me check what I did the turning point again. So then nga ngazamo substitute this thing. Oh, let me derive this thing f of x.
Okay.
F prime of x,
F prime of x
which is equaling to 2ax
2ax
plus b.
plus b. Constant.
Yes. So then,
Yeah?
more for 2ax. So then
What is 2? What is 2? 9? Minus 9.
Yes.
4.
4 is 2.
Please give me
what
that.
what to 7.
Oh, 4 is to 7, yeah?
This is killing it.
So then really the first to 7 thing I can miss.
Yeah.
So then now the first to 7 thing, we know more here driving our gradient is 0.
Yeah, when we derive the gradient is 0, yeah. So we have f prime of 4 is 0.
Yes. So then
So,
Ruto Pagala 0, then Ravali Rafagala for more x videos.
yeah, we get this is going to be equaling to 2a4 plus b.
Plus yes. So then here to dira probably 2 multiplied by 4, which is equaling to 8 plus b.
Yeah?
Yes. So then Ngaibija is equation 1 yeah.
Okay, equation number 1.
My equation number 1.
Sure.
Yes. So then again I'm not sure about this one. I'll find the f prime of x.
Let's look at this one. We have point P. Can you see point P?
Yes.
So we can say f of 4, not f prime, f of 4 is equal to 7.
Okay.
When x is 4,
Oh,
what
yeah,
is
yeah.
y? Y is 7.
I see. Yeah, now I see. So then we can continue.
Yeah?
Then probably 4, then Ravali plus b4 minus 7, minus 9. I mean.
Sure.
So then here to multiply a4, probably a4 for
16.
This one is
16a this one.
16a?
Yeah. And then this
16a plus 4 plus 4b
then move for 16 the other side.
minus 9. Don't forget the 7, right? Yes. Then you get this step 9 you guys can kill. Then you have a positive. Then you have
16.
16a
16a plus 4.
plus 4. So then to make things easy, I'm going to share this 16a guys can kill.
Or let's make this one. This one is simple.
Yeah, this one is
So if we say we have b
which is equals to 8.
minus 8a.
Yes.
So instead of p here,
Yeah, we can simply change.
and then we have 16.
Yeah.
This is going to be 16a plus 4.
A plus 4 multiplied by minus 8
And it gives us
is
I think it's
16 4 multiplied by minus 8.
I don't have my calculator anymore.
minus 32. No? 4. Minus 24.
Minus 32.
Minus 32.
It should give you a negative 1.
Minus 32a.
Yes, and then
This one and this one, 16. It's minus 16a.
Yeah, minus 16.
16 is going to be equal to minus 16a. Divide by minus 16, divide by minus 16. A is going to be minus 1. Okay?
So then to find that's minus 1, I substitute more this equation, more b.
So it's b
minus
multiplied
8.
by minus 8 minus 1 gives us b is equal to 18.
Yes,
Therefore, the equation says f of x
minus 8.
is not minus, it's minus, minus. I think this one we got minus 1.
Minus, yes.
So it's minus, minus.
Yeah, let me see the minus 1.
So what you get as our answer? We get minus x squared, no?
Plus
Plus
8x
8x, huh?
minus 9.
Minus 9. Okay. We could have done it in a simpler way, no, Chairman. We could do it. We could do it using the turning point form. I'm sure which some of us did it that way. Mutlatse, did you do it in a different way? No?
Turning point.
Yes. Turning point form. No? So we have y, which is going to be a x minus p all squared, no? Plus q.
Plus p.
And then a is going to be x minus 4 all squared. No? What is the turning point? 7 plus 7. Y.
Yes.
And then we can use this point 9. So we're going to get a mark for supping this one. Okay? And then after that, we say we have minus 9, which is going to be equaling to n. And then we have 0 minus 4 all squared plus 7. This one and this one, you say it gives us what? Minus 16.
Minus 16.
Minus 16 is going to be equal to 16a.
Yes.
Divide by 16, divide by 16. It says a is going to be minus 1. Oh, I thought you were saying something. We have y, which is going to be minus open bracket x minus 4 all squared plus 7.
Yes.
Okay. Y is going to be equal to, if you expand this, it says minus x squared minus 8x plus 16 plus 7.
Yes.
Minus x squared plus 8x minus 16 plus 7.
Yes.
And what you get? You get minus x squared plus 8x
Minus 9.
minus 9. Yeah, we'll still get exactly the same 5 marks. No?
Yes.
We have the last two that we have to do. They are not last. Yeah, it's 1, 2.